In today's video, I'm going to teach you install and use the Ralph plugin for Claude, setup, configuration, and workflow. We'll start by getting your workspace ready. Open your terminal and move into your project folder using cd or project. If you don't have a project yet, create one first with mkdir Claude Ralph, then switch into it with cd Claude Ralph. Keeping your work inside a dedicated folder helps Ralph track files and context cleanly. Next, install the Ralph plugin. If you're using the Claude CLI, run Claude plugin install Ralph. If your setup relies on an npm-based plugin registry, install it as a dev dependency with npm install at d thous at claude/plugins Ralph. Both approaches add the same capability, just pick the one that matches your environment. Enable the plugin in Claude with Claude plugin enable Ralph. To confirm it's active, run Claude plugin list. You should see Ralph marked as enabled, which tells you Claude can now load and use it in your sessions. Initialize Ralph's configuration by running Claude Ralph init. This creates a .claude folder with a ralph.config JSON file inside. That file will control how the plugin behaves across your project. Open the config file with your editor, for example, code.claude/ralph.config.json. Paste a basic configuration that sets mode to assistive, turns on auto route tasks, enforce rules, prompt shortcuts, and memory sync, and enables the builder, reviewer, and planner agents. Save the file. These defaults give you smart task routing, consistent rules, quick command shortcuts, and synced memory. Start Ralph in your session with Claude Ralph Start. You should see confirmations like Ralph plugin active, task routing enabled, and agents online. That means Ralph is now ready to coordinate sub-agents and apply your rules as you work. To use Ralph, just describe your task in plain language. For example, build a login system with email plus OTP. Ralph will detect the task type, assign the right sub-agent, enforce your configuration rules, and keep context across turns. For shortcuts, you can use commands like /Ralph plan build e-commerce checkout to generate a plan, /Ralph review to perform a code review, and /Ralph fix bugs and optimize to automatically propose and apply fixes. If you're using Context 7 MCP, you can link Ralph for deep project awareness. Run Claude MCP load, and then Claude Ralph link MCP. With MCP link,